With Nikuni DAFi, which stands for Dissolved Air Flotation Innovation, microbubbles are used to allow efficient dissolved air flotation. The core of the system is a gas-liquid mixer called a microbubble generator. The generator automatically sucks air through a sucking nozzle. The air is then dissolved into the liquid to be processed. The solution is fed under high pressure to a flotation tank. With this innovative multifunctional mixer, the sucking, mixing and dissolving, and pressure feed can be done within just a single unit. The key advantage of the DAFi is that gas is automatically sucked in, mixed into the liquid, and solution is fed under high pressure. With conventional centrifugal pumps, air pockets form in the central portion of the impeller when the gas is mixed in upstream of the suction side, making it impossible to feed the solution. The Nikuni microbubble generator uses a mixing blade to mix in and dissolve the air that has been sucked in and feeds the solution continuously under high pressure. The advantages of the DAFi include simple structure and easy operation. Typical pressurized dissolution systems require a large centrifugal pump and pressurized dissolution tank, along with a noisy air compressor. They use large amounts of electricity and make it difficult to control liquid level control in the pressurized dissolution tank. To set up the Nikuni DAFi, simply connect the pipes on the suction and discharge side of the microbubble generator and the connection between the airflow meter and its sucking nozzle. The DAFi is characterized by simple installation, a small footprint, and easy operation. To operate the generator, first adjust the valve on the discharge side to the required pressure. Then lightly close the valve in the suction side, creating a negative pressure state. Finally, open the valve of the airflow meter to supply the prescribed amount of air. That's all. Once the DAFi is operating, you can stop and restart it by simply turning the pump switch on and off. There is no need for fine adjustments on each occasion. Attaching an excess air separation device to the piping on the discharge side of the microbubble generator allows the system to supply high-quality microbubble water with stable diameter bubbles. The Nikuni DAFi features a compact pressure water pump and eliminates the need for a compressor, inline mixer, and solution tank. Facilities that have adapted it as a replacement for conventional systems have been able to save energy use and electric power charges. The Nikuni DAFi provides remarkable performance in terms of water quality using measures such as BOD, COD, suspended solid, and normal hexane. Thanks to its high-density microbubbles, the Nikuni DAFi improves the performance of dissolved air flotation system. It has a simple structure and small system footprint. With the easy-to-operate and quiet Nikuni DAFi, stable microbubble water begins to flow soon after the system is started. The long-lasting and durable Nikuni DAFi minimizes maintenance cost, leading to a substantial cut in the equipment's life cycle cost. A clear advantage of Nikuni's microbubble technology is the very small air bubble diameter. Air bubbles produced by our system have a diameter of 5 micrometers. Nanobubbles are smaller than 0.1 micrometers. Compared to millibubbles made by conventional systems, which are several millimeters in diameter, there is an enormous number of micro-nanobubbles in each cubic millimeter. This creates a greater interface area and overall volume. Compared to other methods, the micro-nanobubbles remain dissolved in the water for a long time. Thus, they readily adhere to suspended matter, providing the best flotation separation performance. Micro nanobubbles generated in water appear like white smoke, as shown here. Compared to the air bubbles generated by conventional pressurized dissolution methods, Nikuni micro nanobubbles form a high-density cloud of fine air bubbles. The diameters of air bubbles created by competing systems show large average value and deviation. Nikuni micro nanobubbles have a mean diameter of approximately 5 micrometers with little deviation. The tiny micro nanobubbles adhere to fine suspended matter in water and bring them to the surface, allowing improved cleanup performance. The Nikuni DAFi is currently in use in several industries. Let us look at a few examples. Our system is used to clarify water discharged from food processing facilities, including fishery processing plants, dairy and livestock raising facilities. It is used to remove impurities from circulating and discharge water from industrial manufacturing facilities, including semiconductor and automobile plants. It is employed to clarify water discharged from facilities such as paper mills and pharmaceutical factories. In addition, it is used for the recovery of suspended crystals in processed water, used at various production plants.